Yep, part 3, baby. You see that we took off the exhaust, some of these badges, trying to get this rear bumper prepped and ready to go. So this rear bumper did require a little bit more skill in terms of laying and just laying everything down, getting everything cut. So shout out to RP Films for supporting here. Just showing you guys more of the interesting, the trimming, just getting everything cut off. Just really trying to make sure that we leave some clean edges. The primer here, this is used for any of those edges that may not stick, just to help the adhesion and keep that film holding down. We put those taillights back in. We're starting to piece this thing back together. It's starting to look good.